Welcome back everyone. Summer is well and truly here and it's a great time for making salads. I've got some leftover homemade yogurt here and I thought I would use that as a base for my salad dressing, and why not give it a probiotic boost at the same time. I'm going to be making a kale and cranberry salad with a probiotic yogurt dressing. The first step is to make the dressing, starting with half a cup of homemade yogurt. In a small bowl, add the yogurt along with 2 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup, the zest of half an orange, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and some cracked pepper to taste. Whisk it all together and then set aside. So now I'm going to move on to the salad part. I've got some green curly kale, a red apple, some red onion, some cranberries, and some pumpkin seeds. I'm going to start by toasting these up. Toast the pumpkin seeds in a pan over medium-low heat, tossing often until the seeds give off a toasted smell. Set them aside to cool while you prepare the other salad ingredients. To build your salad, place everything into a large serving bowl, starting with 4 packed cups of curly kale finely chopped, 1 red apple cut into slivers, half a red onion finely sliced, half a cup of dried cranberries, and half a cup of your toasted pumpkin seeds. Pour over your yogurt dressing and toss together. So that's one of my favorite ways to use homemade yogurts. Put it into a salad, make it savory, give it a little probiotic boost. Everyone's a winner. That's a really easy one to toss together and it works great on any summer table. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us and we'll be back really soon with another recipe for you.